All right, here we are at 109 Seabird Lane, listed at $749,000, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, almost 2,700 square feet, built in 2014. The entry coming in the downstairs. It's a 3-story home. Coming in the downstairs, right off the bat, we have a bedroom towards the back here. Good size. And we have a full bathroom down on the first level. And then coming back over this way, we have a huge 4-car garage. To give you an idea of the size. So this one has an elevator in it, and you have access on all 3 levels for the elevator. Washer and dryer downstairs, and there's also another room with hookups upstairs. All right, here we are in the elevator, headed up to the 2nd floor. We are here. All right, coming off the elevator on the 2nd floor, this is where the rest of the bedrooms are. So we've got a huge bedroom here. Large closet. Another large closet, and this is where the washer dryer hookups are as well, that I mentioned downstairs. And here, nice sized master bathroom. Large walk-in shower, toilet back there. And coming around, we have another full bathroom, another large bedroom, a 4th bedroom. The door is dirty, but get an idea of the view you have out on the deck. It's extremely windy out there, so going out there, I'll go out on the 3rd deck, but you won't be able to hear much. So again, this bedroom has some views. I'm gonna bypass the elevator and walk up the stairs. All right, so here we have a half bath. Elevator comes here right off the stairs. And then an enormous living space. And a kitchen. With a good sized pantry back there. And then off the back deck, again, I'll walk out there, but we're not gonna be able to hear much because there's some hurricane force winds out here. And that's what we came here for.